It's been a long day. Now it's time to get into my nighttime skincare routine. I look just a little tired. I'm only using one cleanser tonight, so I'm just going to start out with my Youth to the People Superfood Cleanser. I like to hit 2 pumps or so in my head, get it all lathered up. I love how it has my skin feeling super clean, and it feels fresh. I love the smell, but my skin is still looking very much moisturized and hydrated. Next, I go in with my toner. I use Glow Recipe. I then allow that to dry a little bit. It's dry. Next, I go in with my retinol, a rock retinol. And then I go in with my moisturizer, my Snail Mucin moisturizing cream. And I just use a little bitty drop because a little bit goes a long way. Now I'm going to go on with my Snail Mucin Pure Essence Serum. When I apply my serum, I like to use it with my LED facial wand. The good thing about this wand is that it's going to minimize pores, help, you know, with this product being penetrated into the skin. And it also gives your face just a gentle massage. And the red light is going to help with circulation. It's going to help with cell turnover. So yeah, I go in with this and this together. So what I'll do is I'll just give a couple of pumps of my snail mucin, and I'll just put it all over my face. And don't forget your neck. This is the wand. It activates once as soon as it touches your skin. Then the last step is my lips. I use the Laneige lip balm in the flavor berry. And just like that, 5 minute nighttime skin routine, all done. Let me know what you guys think about this skincare routine and let me know if it works for you. That's it. It's time for bed.